Hello there, world. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Joe, a licensed, certified public accountant with over 10 years' experience in corporate and public accounting. I have an extensive background in accounting, audits, and taxes, and I'm all about helping you take control of your money and live smarter. Today, we're diving into something every business owner needs, but most of us weren't taught: accounting for service based businesses. Whether you're a freelancer, coach, consultant, designer, or any kind of service provider, this video will break down the basics of accounting so you can stay organized, avoid tax trouble, and actually understand your money. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. Be sure to check out our blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's start with the basics. What is a service-based business? A service-based business is a company that performs tasks for the benefit of their customers. So if you're into like consulting, an auto mechanic, graphic design, event management, legal services, or affiliate sales, then this is a video for you. Now, there are a whole host more of service-based businesses, but those are the first ones that came to my mind. Now, why does this matter? If you're making money from services, that's a business. And just like any business, you need to keep track of what's coming in and what's going out and what is left over. Now, why does a service based business need good accounting? For one, it helps you to know your business is actually profitable. For two, it keeps you ready for come tax season. Three, it helps you make better decisions, like knowing when to raise your rates. And number four, it makes you look more legit to the banks, clients, or potential partners. You don't have to be an accountant, but if you're running a business, you do need a simple system. So, what is step one? Step one is to track your income, aka the money you bring in from clients. Now, how do we track and what are we going to track for our income? We're going to track who paid you, when they paid you, how much they paid you, and what services you provided. Here's some simple tools you can use to help you with tracking that income. You can use a simple spreadsheet with Google Sheets or Excel. You can use a host of accounting apps, and you can use different invoicing platforms such as PayPal or Square. Don't rely on your bank account alone. Keep records of invoices and payments, and chase unpaid ones if needed. The second half of accounting is just as important, and this is to track your business expenses. This helps you to lower your taxes and understand your real profit. Here are some of the most common expenses for service based businesses that I have seen often in my practice: software, marketing, office supplies, education, and home office. Remember, keep your business and personal expenses separate. Open a dedicated bank account, even if you're a solo entrepreneur. Here's a good option: take photos of your receipts or use apps like Expensify or QuickBooks to upload them. It'll save you stress later. Here's a big one. As a service based business owner, no one's taking taxes out of your income. That's on you. Here's a rule of thumb: set aside 20 to 30% of your income. This covers income taxes and self employment taxes. Consider making quarterly estimated payments. Create a separate savings account and move a portion of every payment you get into it. That way, you're not scrambling at tax time. Make sure to work with a tax pro or use a tax software. It's worth the peace of mind. Once you've tracked your income and expenses, the next step is to check in on how you're doing. There's going to be two reports that you must know: a profit and loss statement, which shows how much money came in and how much money went out over a period. Next is your cash flow statement. This shows how much cash is really in your business, because profit doesn't always equal cash. Why does this matter? These reports help you to spot trends, plan ahead, and know whether your business is growing or just busy. Check your numbers monthly. It only takes 15 to 30 minutes when you do it regularly. Keep it simple and keep it consistent. You don't need a fancy degree or expensive software. The key is to stay consistent. Pick a system that works for you and stick with it. Done is better than perfect. Start where you are and grow from there. Let's quickly recap what accounting for service-based business really means. Remember, we're going to track our income. We want to know who paid us, when they paid us, how much they paid us for, and what services we provided. Next, we're going to track our expenses. This is going to help us to lower our taxes and understand our real profit. Next, we're going to save for taxes. Remember, 20 to 30% of your income for taxes. Create a separate savings account and move a portion of every payment you get into it. That way, you're not scrambling at tax time. Remember, review your numbers monthly. Remember your profit and loss statement and your cash flow statement. These reports help you to spot trends, plan ahead, and know where your business is growing or just being busy. And the biggest thing is stay consistent. Pick a system that works for you and stick with it. That's it. Keep it simple. You're not trying to be an accountant, you're just running a smart business. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments, what kind of service business do you run? What's your biggest money question right now? I'll talk to you guys next week where we break down what is the balance sheet. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check back for more videos. Be sure to check out the blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.